Hello everybody, get ready to do lesson 4.4 of 6th grade math, part 1 today. And we have a 25-point classwork sheet today, and then a 2-point notebook taking guide today. And today's lesson is solving multi-step problems with fractions and mixed numbers. Here is your standard here for today. And teachers, today's bell work is a word problem here, division, I believe, and students take about 5-6 minutes to solve this. Okay, welcome back. It makes 7 1/3 servings, so 10 people are going on a camping trip. Can Zoe make enough for 3/4 cup servings so that each person on the trip has 1 serving? So no. So she wants to divide 12 mix into 3 1/4 cup servings. 5 1/2 cups trail mix for a camping trip for 3/4 cups. So now it only makes 7 1/3. 10 people, so she can only make 7 1/3 at the 3/4 cup serving size. So that would be number A. And then what size would the servings need to be for everyone to have a serving? So 11/20 of a cup divided by 10 people would be 11/20, so it would be 1/10 here. What size would the servings need to be for everyone to have a serving? So divided by 10 would be 11/2. Divided by 1/10 would be 11/20 of a cup. Would be the serving size for the amount of people on the camping trip. 11/20. Excuse me. So lesson 4.4, solving multi-step problems with fractions and mixed numbers. How can you solve word problems involving more than one fraction operation? Notebook, students, page 1 in your notebook. Solving problems with rational numbers. Sometimes more than operation will be needed to solve a multi-step problem. You can use parentheses to group different operations. Recall that according to the order of operations, remember that, you perform operations in parentheses first. So remember PEMDAS? John is cooking enough lentils for barley soup and lentil salad. The lentil barley soup recipe calls for 3/4 cup of dried lentils. The lentil salad recipe calls for 1 1/2 cups of dried lentils. John has 1/8 cup scoop. How many scoops of dried lentils will John need to have for the soup and the salad? So scoops, we're talking about scoops now. John needs blank cup of dried lentils for soup and blank cups for the salad. So John has a blank cup scoop. He has a 1/8 cup scoop. There goes here. You need to find a total number of scoops of lentils he needs. How many scoops of lentils does he need for this recipe? Okay. So John needs 3/4 cup of dried lentils for soup. 3/4 cup. And blank cups for salad. So he has 1/2 cups for dried lentils for the salad. And he has 1/8 of a cup scoop. So you need to find a total number of many scoops of lentils he needs. So how many scoops of lentils does he need for the salad and for the soup is the question. Gosh, scoops, okay. Formulate a plan. You can use the expression blank to find the number of scoops of dried lentils John will need for the soup and salad. So follow the order of operations. Perform the operations in parentheses first. First add to find the total amount of dried lentils John will need. So here's the expression here, 3/4 plus 1 1/2. This is the total amount of lentils here divided by 1/8. That would give you the number of scoops. So what is 3/4 plus 1 1/2 divided by 1/8 is the question. So students, you can come up here and do it in this space here. Teachers, you can do it here before we pop the answer here. And then here's the answer. So it'll be 3/4 plus 3/2 is what we need to add up here before we do our division. What is 3/4 plus 1/2? So we can do that work here. Well, let's go to the next slide here. 3/4 and 1/2 equals what? It equals 3/4 plus 6/4, which equals what? 9/4. So we have 9/4 total lentils divided by 1/8, 2 1/4 divided by 1/8. So what is that? So he needs blank cups of dried lentils for both soup and salad. We know that already. And he needs to divide the total by 1/8. So 2 1/4 here divided by 1/8 equals what? Is the question. Somebody come to the board and do your work here, or we can pop the question here if nobody knows. So there's our 2 1/4 there, 1/8 cup scoops. Yeah, we know that. What's this though? Is the question right now. So 9/4 divided by 1/8. Now what do we do to complete our division here? What do we have to do to our divisor here? We flip it and then we multiply. So what's this number here? Somebody come to the board, put your answer here. What is that solution there? Well, let's see. 18/1, we do our multiplication here and we do some canceling. Well, you don't have to do, but yeah, you can cancel. So 9 times 2/1, 18/1. So we need 18 what? We need 18 scoops, right? John needs 18 scoops of dried lentils to have enough for the salad and the soup. 18 scoops. Justify and evaluate. You added blank and blank first to find a total number of cups of lentils. Then you divided the sum by blank to find a number of blank cups of scoops. Remember, this was your system here of solving that problem. 3/4, 1 1/2 by 1/8 in the amount in each scoop. So, and that is that. That is lesson 4.4, part 1. Part 2 and part 3 are available at the email. Worksheets, quizzes, tests, everything available there. Thank you.